Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone alarm not making sound after new iOS 17.5 update. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your iPhone alarm sound not working on iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is check the volume. Ensure the volume is turned up and on. Tap on settings. Simply tap on settings. Tap on sound and haptics. You can see appears on screen sound is on, and if sound is not on, fix your problem. If solution number 1 is not working, applying the solution number 2. Check the alarm setting. Ensure the alarm is set correctly and sound is not set to none. Simply open the clock app and go to alarms. You can see, simply tap on it. You can see if repeat sound, you can see sound. If select none, simply select sound and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is delete alarm and set up again and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check the mute switch. Ensure the mute switch is not enabled. Simply check your mute switch is enabled. Simply disable and fix your problem. If already enabled, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issues. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for software updates. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check the iPhone speaker. Ensure the iPhone speaker is not blocked or damaged. If your iPhone speaker is blocked or damaged, visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and repair your speaker and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is check for app conflicts. If you have recently installed a new app, try deleting it to see if it resolves the issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone alarm not making sound after new iOS 17.5 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.